Jai Hind student, welcome to biology class. Now students, today we will start a new chapter in biology class 10th, that is management of natural resources. Now first let's talk about what are natural resources. Now anything in the environment which can be used is called a natural resource. Now if you look around the environment, you can see many number of resources around you. So the resources which we are getting from the nature, for example you can say air. Okay, then you are getting wood, you are getting so many things, fruits, vegetables. Okay, you are getting so many things from the environment. Even you are getting coal, petroleum. So these all are the natural products which we are getting from the nature, and these are termed as natural resources. Now natural resources includes total natural environment that support human life and contribute to the production of necessity and comforts to mankind. So natural resources are the components of atmosphere, hydrosphere and lithosphere. So natural resources, if you talk about, they include total natural environment, means everything which is present in the environment and that thing is helping human beings. Okay, human beings are using those things are contributing, playing great role towards the necessity of the human life. So such are the natural resources. Now natural resources on the basis of abundance and availability. Okay, the natural resources are of two types, means कितना amount में present है, कितने available हैं in the nature. So that can be categorized into two types, that is exhaustible and inexhaustible. Now let's see what is the meaning of these two words. Inexhaustible natural resource means the one which are unlimited. In means exhaust means होता है ओवर, इन मीन्स जो अनलिमिटेड हैं, जो कि कभी भी ख़त्म नहीं होंगे, कंजम्पशन जिनका जो है वो जो है कभी भी कंज्यूम नहीं होंगे. सो दे आर इन प्लेंटी एंड कैन नॉट बी एग्जॉस्टेड बाय मैंस कंजम्पशन. Okay, so they are the unlimited resources which are present in abundance and they can't be consumed. ठीक है, in spite of human consumption, they are unlimited and they can't be consumed, okay, fully. For example, air, sand, clay. So these are the inexhaustible natural resources. It gets affected by overpopulation of mankind, yes, obviously. But in if you talk about in broad sense, so these are the inexhaustible natural resource. Now exhaustible natural resource, they are limited and can get exhausted over a period of time. So they can be consumed, and once consumed it takes millions of years to replenish. Okay, so it is very important for a human being to for they should have a judicious or wise use of these natural resources. इसलिए it is our duty कि हम natural resources को बहुत wisely use करें. ओके, बिकॉज एग्जॉस्टेबल रिसोर्सेज दे आर लिमिटेड, और एक बार ये ख़त्म हो गए देन इट विल टेक मिलियंस ऑफ टाइम. ओके, फिर से उनको बनने में इट विल टेक मिलियंस ऑफ टाइम. फॉर एग्जाम्पल कोल, पेट्रोलियम, दीज आर वन ऑफ few of the exhaustible resources. Now let's see in a tabular form. Now we have already read about these two resources. Now you all have understood also. Now you can make it a concept map and understand it in a better way. In inexhaustible natural resources present in unlimited quantity, and exhaustible, they are present in limited quantity. Inexhaustible, they cannot be exhausted, but exhaustible will be exhausted, will be consumed. Example of inexhaustible resource: air, water, and exhaustible is petroleum and coal. So there are many more. Okay, so this is just the introduction about the natural resources. Now in next of the lectures we'll be discussing everything related to that. Okay, So this is all, student. Thank you, everybody.